What's up, everybody? Craig here. I figured I'd do a app review like I've been promising. And this one, the first one, I'm gonna do an iTunes one later for iTunes apps, but this one's gonna be dedicated to Cydia because I think I'll be upgrading to iPhone 5, and along with iOS 6, who knows when we're gonna see the next jailbreak and when we're gonna see Cydia. So just kind of wanted to do a wrap up real quick of what Cydia brought to us, and hopefully it'll, I don't know, maybe inspire somebody to get out there and hack iOS 6 and so we can use it again. But yeah, I'll be upgrading to the iPhone 5. Maybe this time fucking Siri can understand some shit that I say on the 4G network instead of thinking about it for fucking 5 minutes. But anyway, that's another story. So let's go on. We're going to do an app review of apps in Cydia. Without further ado, there's my beautiful daughter. That is Daddy's baby. Anyway, all right. So let me just get off the few quick apps that the ones that run in the background that some people might have questions about. So if you look at see how it looks like a cube when I turn, and there's other effects you can do too. That one is called Barrel 2, and you can do things like let's look for it. Here we go. Barrel 2. You can do different things, like these are all the different things, like Vortex. Let's go ahead and do that, okay? And then now when you swipe your apps, look what happens. See, so that's Barrel 2. If you look in the top left corner where the AT&T sign should be, it has the Apple symbol, and there's different other symbols like Batman, Zelda Triforce, and other stuff like that. That one's called Zeppelin. I think probably one of my favorite apps or tweaks that I like is called Switchy. And instead of shutting down apps that take up your battery life and all kinds of stuff, check this out. So it gives you more room to work with, okay? And look, see how you got more room to work with? And it gives you more options. Here's the iPod, we all know about that, but look at this. You can adjust your screen brightness right here, and then go to your settings. But look at this. Clear all apps. All those apps that we're running right now, you don't have to shut each individual one down. They all just shut down. So I like that. That one's called Switchy. Also, what else we got? Display Candy. If you see when I launch something, see how it looks like a TV just popped up, and then when I shut it down, it's sucked down. Also, let's go ahead and switch in between something. So if you look at this, now I'm going to switch and see how it did that little ripple effect. So that one is called Display Candy, and I will show you the sources. Actually, the sources will be in the description of what each one is. So without further ado, let's get into the Cydia, the apps, the actual apps. My favorite app of all time here is in Cydia is MyWi, and that's the one that allows you to, and that's one right here. It allows you to tether to your iDevice, whether it be a iPad or iPod or even your MacBook or a PC, whatever. You can either do USB tether. Now, some people do this USB tether right here. Let me get closer to that USB tethering. And like I said, all you have to do is toggle it on. There's toggles over here. I know it's tough to see. You just have to toggle it on, toggle it off. But you have to have iTunes installed on your computer in order to do the USB tethering. And then there's Wi-Fi hotspot, and then obviously the Bluetooth tethering. You need to have your iDevice, both iDevices jailbroke to do the Bluetooth tethering. But that's my favorite one. That is actually available in Cydia for purchase. Alright, second one is called iBlacklist, and that's this guy right here. Okay, so if you don't want somebody to call you ex-wife, ex-girlfriend, whatever you got, okay, you'd open this up, you go to Blacklist, and then you go to General, and then you hit the Add button, and you add the number in, and you can add it from your contacts, you could add it from recent calls, maybe there's a telemarketer, you know, that just called you, go to recent calls, recent messages, whatever. You can add whichever phone number that bugged you and you don't want them to call anymore or text anymore. And you can also add different options of, hey, you know, send them a reply back every time they call, you know, fuck you, buddy, stop calling, whatever you want to do. But that's iBlacklist. I really, really like it. Okay. This one's called iSHSHit, and I won't go into this too much. Actually, might as well just hit on it. I have a video on how to save your SSH blobs with this, but really all you do is you open it, you hit I want to save it via Cydia, and then you hit save right up there, and it saves your SSH blobs in the Cydia server. So that's next one I'm going to get into is IntelliScreen. That's IntelliScreen right there. IntelliScreen 5. It actually works awesome with App Store. Also, a lot of people don't know this, but when you got IntelliScreen, first of all, let me tell you too. When I use IntelliScreen, I pay for all my apps, okay? And I know a lot of people like ripping stuff off. And the reason why I have IntelliScreen is I like to check out the paid version first before I buy it. I cannot stand buying an app and then it's sucking balls and then I'm fucking out $5 or something like that, and I feel like I just got raped. But anyway, so I usually like to check out the free version first, and not the free version, the paid version first, and then I'll decide if I want to purchase it or not. But IntelliScreen is basically just another app store, okay? And then when you want to buy something, you know, if you want to buy an app, or not buy something, if you want to download a paid app that you would pay for on iTunes, you can do it for free. But you got to know what to press on, and you got to know, you know, how to use it. Trial and error, so you can figure it out. Is the best thing I can tell you. I'm not going to get into it because it's actually kind of a longer process. Maybe I'll have a video for a later date. But anyway, so that is IntelliScreen 5. But check this out. If you download App Store Allus 2, you can do this. You can go into iTunes. Okay. You can go into iTunes, and then let's go ahead and find a paid app featured. We're going to go ahead and find a paid app. Okay, here's one, 99 cents, NFL Kicker 13. Now, this usually isn't there, okay? This is so you can purchase it. App Store Allus 2, okay, it gives you this download feature that will send you right to IntelliScreen 5 and let you click to download it. So you can search for stuff in the iTunes store and then go ahead and download it through IntelliScreen and not pay anything. So that's how to use that. But again, I strongly recommend, if you're going to do that, go ahead and check it out. But if you like it, don't be an asshole. It's $2, 99 cents, whatever, is a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Just go ahead and pay. There's a lot of people that spend a lot of time developing software. Just go ahead and pay for it. Anyway, so that's that. Okay, 3G Unrestrictor for iOS 5. It's going to look like this right here. Okay, this is available in Cydia for purchase. But basically, you add stuff like this, like adding the App Store, adding what's another good one? Skype, or your mobile phone for FaceTime. I know now that the iPhone 5 is going to have FaceTime via, but basically, okay, what this does is it fools your phone into thinking it's on Wi-Fi, so you can use apps that are restricted to Wi-Fi only. So really cool app. I like it a lot. And again, you just hit edit and then add, and then you add whatever app you want that restricts you to Wi-Fi only. So that's 3G Unrestrictor. Okay, next we're going to go with IntelliScreen. Okay, I really like this. Okay, so I'm going to pull down my my notifications. Looks like regular notifications, right? Roll. I pull down. I got a little top shelf there. I can toggle my Wi-Fi on and off. I can toggle my MyWi on and off. I can toggle my 3G, my Bluetooth, airplane mode, and then I swipe this way. I swipe this way, and I can control the brightness of my screen. So it gives you some more options. Okay, but it doesn't just stop there. And again, this is all controlled from the home screen, which is really cool. There's my Facebook, and you can do posts and replies and all this stuff right from the comfort of your own home screen. You don't have to go open your phone and go into Facebook. I know it's a chore, but anyway. The other cool thing is right here. You got an RSS feed, a lot of cool articles, whatever you're interested in, you could add to it, whatever, and go ahead and read some cool articles. And again, all from the comfort of your home screen. Your email, there's your email right there. You can do it all from your home screen. You can also add Twitter to it if you want. So that's IntelliScreen X, really cool app. That one's $10, a little pricey. But again, they put a lot of work into it. Teleborn did. They did a good job, so go ahead and pay them. All right, next one I'm going to touch on is called AnyRing. It's right here. So I'm going to hit it. Okay, pull up. This one you can make your own custom ringtones, SMS sounds, email sounds, whatever you want to do. But you go ahead and you hit ringtone. You can record your own voice, say something stupid, and then when your phone rings, everybody looks at you like a retard, but you think you're the funniest person in the world. So if that's your thing, go ahead and do that. I usually just hit iPod songs, and then you can search by songs, the artist, or the album. So let's go ahead and here we go. 1X. Animal I become. Choose. So I got some 3 Days Grace going here. Okay. And then right here at the bottom allows you to cut a piece of the song. So, and then it'll get my other hand in here. Here we go. All right, and so then you hit play. Okay, you're like, okay, yeah, that's what I want. It plays the duration that I want, and then you just hit done, and then it'll set it. So cool. You can make your own ringtones, all that good stuff. I really like it. That one's called AnyRing. Alright, next one I'm going to touch on is called PreviewMaker, as you see in the bottom there. PreviewMaker, basically if you're into helping people out, tutorial videos like I am. Alright, I'll take a screenshot real quick. Alright, so now I'm going to open PreviewMaker. Okay, and I use this for one of my videos, the saving your iSHSHit blog, so if you want to see how it works in action, you can do that. But anyway, so I'm going to click Add. I'm going to hit Choose from Library. I'm going to hit camera roll, I'm going to hit that, okay, and now I can save it as a picture that shows my iPhone as a frame so you kind of see what it looks like on your iPhone, okay, so pretty cool. I like it, it helps me out. That's not too much to tell. Alright, last one I'm going to get into is PKGBackup. Now if you're going to upgrade to iOS 6 and then if somebody jailbreaks iOS 6 and then that comes out and everything like that, you're going to want this. Because the worst part about jailbreaking is adding all your sources, re-downloading all your packages, and I actually have a video for this, how to do it, how to set it up, link it to your Dropbox and everything like that. But literally, you back up all your Cydia apps and all your Cydia sources with this PKGBackup, and I open it up, all I would hit, it's going to scan everything on my phone, scan in, yeah, alright, come on. And then all I would do is down there when it lights up, I'd hit backup. I'd back up my phone and put it in my Dropbox. So when I'd have to do a restore, if I upgrade to iOS 6, somebody jailbreaks iOS 6, and I do the jailbreak and then Cydia, all I do is download this app first, and then go link it up to my Dropbox account and hit do restore, and everything is put back the way it was. All my apps, all my sources, everything. You don't have to re-add anything. So that's my personal favorite because I do a lot of jailbreaking. So anyway, I hope you guys liked my video. Please like, subscribe, comment. If somebody asks a question, please answer it if I can't get to it. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Thanks.